Bus.
Your next. Come sit.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby.
Come.
That's what she said.
You gonna come sit with us or not?
Whose bag is this? I'll call off my hand later. Ugh, she's brown.
Ew.
See? What is that? For what?
Lunch. I hate freaking Kevin's. It's too
This
fucking-
is yours.
I know. I hate Kevin's, so we're going to use mine.
I asked my mom to make me a homemade one.
The card is in this one instead of this one.
Hey, I'm trying to squish her head.
Thank you.
Ring, ring, motherfuckers. Oh,
What?
God.
Did you spray it on yourself? That's why you have Victoria. I had to break into Cordell's room this morning.
Both of them?
Shut up.
Lovers.
She didn't have her key.
Nailed it.
She didn't have her keys and Mr. Brown wasn't here.
Oh,
I had to break into her room.
Jared.
added yogurt.
What?
Quit saying yogurt.
I had to. That's my favorite
I had to break into I had to break into Cordell's room this morning.
Why?
Because she didn't have her keys and nobody was here. No one knows.
What the fuck are you doing?
I said, come, my child. And she's trying
That
to
sounded horribly gross.
I know.
You sound like you're a pedophile.
Oh my god! Stop.
Wanna go?
I didn't know I hit
Here,
you
Devin, I
three
dare you.
times.
I'll beat your ass.
I hit you
Unless you
once.
hit me 3 times, you have no right to hit.
I hit you
I will
once.
still hit you because it's a girl.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Are you gonna hit me even when I twisted her arm when I was in like?
Because I didn't see it.
No, you were there.
I didn't see it.
You saw it, Jared. Even Jimmy said, Devin, look out behind. You looked and you saw me twist her arm.
No, thank you.
I will do that again.
I won.
I will do it in Jimmy's honor that you destroyed. It's a fucking criminal president.
Actually,
Actually,
you
he's doing
should-
well.
I know he was doing well.
Wait.
Awesome.
What are you doing?
Mom.
Are you doing more like a freaking asshole?
Where's Trinity? She's not even. She's a ghost.
Oh God.
Right here.
Oh God. That's so creepy.
Where did Megan go?
It's so fucking.
Oh, look.
Don't ever say anything mean then.
Hmm.
If you can't take the hits, you don't
Fuck.
take the hits. Do you know anyone named Rayleigh Truman?
What?
I do.
You do?
I think so.
Who?
Fuck. Some girl texted me. I didn't know who.
Did you say Braylon?
Oh, never mind. Now I know who I'm talking about. Fuck. Austin's little sister. No.
Oh yeah. Riley Truman?
Got all of our morning
Yes.
stuff.
That's a friend with my cousin Elizabeth, the blonde head.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know her. Why?
Get my.
Oh, it is my song.
Okay. Get out of here.
Oh.
No, you fucker.
It's like Riley, it's Riley,
He's not gonna
Riley.
be-
You asshole. What? You got more.
So like, you say Riley, I'm like, it's Riley, not Riley.
14. Oh, no, I'm not doing this.
Ow, my hand still hurt.
He tilted the camera on my ass.
He's having a spastic attack, people.
He just had me a heart attack.
Spastic attack, idiot. That's a spaz.
Where's my hand?
Oh, hey, baby.
My old song.
Hey, baby. I feel sorry for your fans now.
What are you
Sorry
doing?
for
Jared! Jared! He's molesting my What the fuck?
He's making his fame a little
Ow!
bit
The camera's still up. The camera's still up too high. Hey! What was that for? Back off!
Yeah, true love. You can fight for it. You can fight for it. It's all yours.
different. Trinity, I don't want to be a
Ooh, Hannah.
Do you guys know
Penis.
what grade is he in? Sophomore, junior, Tyler?
Tyler who?
What grade is he in?
I like how we said that perfect.
Hodges?
What grade is Sam in?
No, he's not. Samantha?
Yeah.
No. Wait.
He's not a sophomore.
Samantha who? Wait.
I know him. I know him.
He was trying to hold her hand.
Wait.
He's joking
Baby.
around.
Wait. Who was?
I felt it with her hand.
Hannah. Hannah, who was?
He's just
Baby.
joking around.
Baby.
Fuck no.
That's how he's joking.
Baby. Baby.
Hannah.
Mother.
I have a new chef name, like two for Trinity and Devin.
Hey, throw that in Victoria.
What you call me
Tevin.
again?
Tevin.
Tevin?
Tevin, apparently, and that sounds like gay.
Victoria is just Victoria because you didn't download.
Divinity.
No, it's
Divinity.
no, it's not them anymore. It's them two.
It's Divinity.
What the fuck are you pointing at?
Hey,
Leonardo
Hannah.
da Vinci.
No, Divinity. D-I.
That's already been taken.
No, Divinity. Divinity.
Oh, at first I thought, hey,
Divinity.
I can do it longer than you.
uh-oh.
Hey, are you just thinking
You
back?
know it-
Yeah, right.
Jared,
I can do it.
if I say the chef name for her and for Megan for Devin, she would kill me.
Here. Watch it.
Hannah.
Fight him.
Smack him in the face.
Trying to attack him.
Smack him in the face.
Java, you almost dropped the milk on her.
Just smack him in the face.
You keep seeing. Oh, those are coming out now.
Ah.
Jerry's making them come out.
You're the last one that hit it.
No, there's
So that's
two.
what we can join him.
Meningitis.
Hey, stop doing that on my arm.
Exhausting you.
Stop rubbing his hair on Ew, what the fuck around you?
It's called hurting the milk.
Every single one of
They
y'all.
can say the same thing, but he was rubbing his head against me again.
I didn't need to know that.
Hey, dude, it gets hurt.
Which one?
Oh, I'll throw up. I will throw up.
Hey, Jared, what do you think would Dave do? Who do you think would
What?
You covered the boys' bathroom floor.
Oh, thank you.
That's Devin. That's Devin.
Or the
What?
or the janitor
Oh.
closet.
What? I was giving
Or
them to you in
the
the first
janitor
place.
closet.
What? I didn't want them. I put them
Or
right on
the
you.
janitor closet.
Oh, how sweet. Thank you.
How
I like
about?
butthole.
Hey, okay. How about?
She's
you
ready for
shut
Rem
up?
Jeeps.
How about
Let's
you
look my
shut
tongue
up?
out.
How about we all just shut up?
No.
Fucking pissed off.
Roll your lips.
Why were you rubbing your head against my arm?
I look so weird.
Because he wants to be like a cat.
Her.
He's weird.
You're rude.
No, she is weird.
I know she
actually.
did.
Closing the door.
No, you're weirder. I'm not the one who
Oh,
makes
guess what,
this
guess what, guess what?
ketchup with
Oh my God,
mashed
shut-
potatoes.
Shut up!
No. Thank
Sorry,
you.
guess what? You need to meet my dad's girlfriend and my dad again.
I'm out. go get you get him a couple.
Hang with her. Why you haven't flinched?
Better not come back and haunt me.
Oh god.
Oh, would you bleach? Hey, rub your head against her arm.
Well, you're in the way.
Rub her arm.
You sit over there.
Sit in Devin's chair so he can't sit.
Move the chair next to her so you can get away.
What? Oh.
Be a Thunder Buddy.
No. I don't need no Thunder Buddy.
Where do you have in your pocket?
Jesus.
Have you seen a white carrot?
A white shirt?
You have that?
Oh yeah.
Did you do that
I've
Easter
had
bunny
it
thing on
before,
Snapchat on Easter?
I had no
You
birthday.
added me on Snapchat.
Yeah.
Well, if you touch his
That's very interesting.
Did you do that on Easter? No.
I want to see. Is she nude?
What? Well, no.
I saw that on
They
Snapchat.
like to I have no makeup. I was like,
Oh, there goes Vampire.
I sent this to Katie on Easter. She sent me one where she's bald.
Who's Katie?
Hey, how about cancer?
Danger!
Oh, well, you know what?